Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about JSON. এটার কাজ কি, এটা আমরা কেন ইউজ করি বা এত কিছু থাকতে JSON কেন? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What this basically do is, suppose I have an Android app, um, and I already have that app, but what I need is a content, right? So if I when I enter the app, I am asking the server to give me some content. What JSON does is treats those contents as objects so that my phone can process it and show me as some kind of an object. Supposedly Facebook. I'm requesting Facebook to show me my news feed. Okay, so what if I already have that web, what can I say, web frame, right? The frame, the design, everything. What I need is a content in my news feed. So uh, if the server sends me an HTML or a CSS file, what will happen is I already have that design, that placeholder. So HTML CSS won't cut it, right? So and the server will be sending me some kind of an object which my application will put it in the placeholder. Okay, so let's get on to it. Here we will start with the basic JavaScript code, and let's get into it. Suppose I declare an object. Sorry, var obj, I'll call it object1 equals I am making a list of students. Suppose let's call this name, student name Arnob, comma, and we must put Arnob this in a string format since this is a string, and name is a parameter. Let's put what else? Suppose age 23, um, hometown, I am from Dhaka. Dhaka would be considered, sorry, Dhaka would be considered as string semicolon. Okay, we will copy this, Control C, Control V, and the same way I'll declare another object, object2. Let's call this Mr. X. His age is also 24. Hometown is Chittagong. Another one. Let's call him Darth Vader. Age is 26. Hometown, let's just give it unknown for now. Okay. we have created the object, but the thing is, we can't do anything right now. So let's create, suppose another object. We will call it obj4, sorry, obj4, and one is obj1, comma 2 obj2, sorry, this isn't semicolon, this will be colon. u3 obj3. Okay, what we have done here is basically pretty straightforward. Like, um, we have three objects, obj1, obj2, and obj3, and obj4 is an object of objects. Suppose u1, when it consists of three objects, u1 which represents object 1, u2 which represents object 2, u3 object 3. Pretty straightforward. What I can do now is, suppose I'll write document dot write, my bad, dot write obj3 dot name plus inverted comma uh, is obj3 dot age 3 age plus, what can I say, plus obj age plus colon double inverted comma is years old. Let's render it, and what happened? Oh, I get it. I mistakenly gave, this should be colon. Control S. This should work now. Waiting. Nope, still nothing. Ah, just one. We got it. Darth Vader is 26 years old. I forgot to give some spaces, but we got our desired content. What it basically did was created an object, and the document.write on line number 9, it used that object to give me some kind of an output. Fix the spelling mistakes and give some spaces. Control S. Yeah, Darth Vader is 26 years old. I'll have a full stop. Why not? Okay. Suppose I get to know that Darth Vader's hometown is Prachi, and I need to change his hometown. Okay, what if I show you an example? Plus comma space, and he is is from obj3 dot hometown, not hometown. Okay, render this, and he is from unknown. Okay, suppose recently I got to know Darth Vader, and the server was updated that his hometown is from Rajshahi. Mm, what we do is obj3 dot hometown town is equals to, this time we're using equals, is Rajshahi, right? Yes, right. If I take the same document write command, we'll see the next one, V. What do I get? Okay, I should have added a little V. Should add HR backslash S. Let's see what happens. Oh, sorry. Um, I forgot to put this in inverted comma. Control, Control S. See, at first I didn't specify his hometown. Let me just it a bit smaller. And in line number 9, uh, I didn't specify his hometown, which was unknown. So the first line on line, yes, in the first line, in line 9, number 9, it was Darth Vader is 26 years old and he is from unknown because I didn't specify anything. Okay, in the next line, line number 11, I specified his hometown to Rajshahi, and when I execute the same command on line number 12, it gets his hometown is updated, and it's set it to Rajshahi, and on the second document right we get that Darth Vader is from Rajshahi. Okay, now what else? Next, what we can do is, oh, uh, let's use object number 4. We'll take this, Control C. Sorry about that. Okay, what we can do is suppose obj4 dot u2 as in user 2 dot user. Let's cancel this. Let's live preview what we got. This is showing undefined y. Showing object 2 as undefined. Why is that? Is from Town, Rajshahi. This is a line break. This is undefined. Ah, why did I write this as user? Control S. See, Mr. X. Okay, so this is pretty much the basics. The whole concept, although I said it once, I'll repeat it. From line 5 to line 8 is the objects we're creating, and in the next from 9 to 14 we're using those objects. So there are many. Suppose I have the previous example I was giving of the Facebook app, right? So Android is basically Java, right? So what we can do is we can create the JSON objects, and we can, what can we do? We can take the JSON objects, and we can use Json or Jackson to make those, to take the JSON represented objects into convert the JSON represented object into Java objects, and vice versa. So that's basically the basic work of JSON. Uh, what can we show you? No, I think that's it. Mm, okay, thank you everyone.